Hello, everybody. Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 39, we will study Kubernetes deployments, the replicated pods. So in the last lesson, we have studied how to create deployments. In this lesson, we will study in detail. We will create the deployment with multiple replicated pods, such as because in the traditional way we create the pod just one in our time. Now we can use deployment. Deployment will create deployment will create multiple replicated pods in one at your time. So now we will take an example. So we will use the kubectl create deployment follow with the deployment name and specify the image and specify the replicates. So here we open the terminal and we use the kubectl create deploy. We can also use deploy or deployment and my deploy. Okay, specify the image. We use the nginx container image and with the option replicas. It specifies the numbers of the replicated pods. We use the 3. Okay, here. And we also open the login another master terminal. So we use this command to watch the pods. We use watch x2 every 2 seconds to list the kubectl get pods. Okay. Watch. Okay. Now we can use this command to create the deployment my deploy and specify the replicators equals 3 and okay. The image, not images, image here. Now it shows that they was created. So we can hear that they are already. Okay, there are three replicas. Okay, so we can hear the name. The name lists the names of the. We can use the kubectl get deploy to show what the created deployment. Okay, we can see that the name lists the names of the deployment in the namespace and really display how many replicas of the application are available to your users. It follows the pattern, the ready and the desired, because we desired 3, because we specify the replicas equals 3, and the ready means that 1, 2, 3 means that the current pods are ready. 3 means that what we desired, and desired equal to the running pods. Up to date, display numbers of replicas that have been updated. Okay, available shows how many replicas to the application. Okay, now so we can also use the kubectl get. We can show the pods wide. So we can see that these three pods are distributed in worker 1, worker 2, and worker 1. So they are almost evenly distributed between all the workers. Okay, so we can also create the deployment in the Kubernetes dashboard. So okay, we should open dashboard. We can create the deployment using the dashboard. Just see we get the token. Okay, copy the token and here. Now, okay, we can also log in. We click the create form. Okay, this is we will create the deployment, such as we might deploy to. Okay, and the container image, we just the same image, container image engines, and the numbers of the pods. This is the same with the the same with the replicas. Okay, just we use 5. We specify the number of pods to 5. Okay, 5 replicated pods, and service none, and we click deploy. Now we can here it's state this pod. Okay, the deployment running 2. We can click the deployment. Its status is green, means that it's ready to use. Okay, we click the my deploy. My deploy. Okay, yes. Now we go into the my deploy 2. It's in the default namespace, and this is the age. Okay, we can see here the pod status. The total number of the pods is 5, and 5 pods are all available. Okay, then it also create the replica set. Okay, now we can see here this event. Okay, the deployment controller. Now we can also create. This is the pods. Now we can also create the pods. Okay, we can also create the deployment use the YAML file manifest. So we can copy the file, the YAML file. Okay, here, and paste here. Now the kind is the deployment. We can see here under this attribute spec replicas. This value is 3. It's the replicated pods. Okay, we can specify it to 6. Okay, and my deploy 3 and app label and okay. Here my deployment 3 change to 3 label 3. Okay, the the container image is engines. Now the replicas is 6. Okay, we create the deployment using the YAML. Okay, again, click the upload. Yes, now we can see that the deployment my deployment 3. Okay, there are 6 pods. Okay, and all the pods are ready. And okay, now we click the my deploy 3. We can see the pod status and conditions. Okay, and click the pods. Yes, we can see that this is all 6 pods. My deploy 3 having the different string. Okay, yes, they are all, and we click the pods to see the detailed information about this pods. We can see here it's load in Kubernetes work 2 and status and IP address. Okay, this is the pod network and its IP address in the pod. Okay, and the events of the pod. Yeah, we can see it per image. Engine started the container, created the container. Okay, so now in this lesson we have started how to create the deployment with replicated pods in command and in the dashboard. We can also in the dashboard we can create the pod deployment using the using the create form or create from the YAML file. So that's all. Thank you.